various types of heavy equipment. Crawler dumper. Crawler dumper, special machine designed for civil engineering, stoneworking, closure engineering, tunnel engineering, dredging engineering, and reclamation engineering. Crawler dumpers have a very wide range of applications under all road conditions and terrain conditions and can travel freely on muddy and icy roads. Articulated dump truck. An articulated dump truck is a truck that functions to move materials with limited capacity. The advantage is that this type of dump truck is suitable for muddy roads. Therefore, articulated dump trucks are often used on roads that cannot be passed by ordinary trucks, especially in slippery and winding mining areas. Log handler. Log handler is a heavy equipment machine used to lift, move, and arrange logs or logs in various operations involving wood materials. Log handlers are also known as log loaders. These tools are specifically designed to handle efficiently and are often used in the forestry and wood processing industries. Demolition excavator. A demolition excavator is a special machine used to demolish buildings or structures. This machine has a long, strong arm, a protected cab, and special tools such as a hydraulic hammer, concrete shears, and steel cutters. Straddle carrier excavator. This excavator stands or is on a straddle carrier. The support form straddles the excavation below. Usually used to move material from the top of the carriage to the outside or vice versa. Motor scraper. A motor scraper or scraper is a type of heavy equipment that is often used for projects cutting the slopes of dams or embankments. This heavy equipment can also be used to dig soil between concrete buildings and can also be used for e-money payments. Wheeled trenchers. Trenches are a type of heavy equipment commonly used to dig soil. This machine is used for digging soil, installing pipes, cables, drainage purposes, and so on. However, for digging land that is considered very difficult, using a wheeled trench digging machine is considered more suitable. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a type of heavy equipment that is useful for digging, moving, pushing, and piling up soil, sand, gravel, and other materials. Bulldozers use a base in the form of a tractor, whose front is equipped with a large shovel, or often called a blade. Bulldozers can be operated in rocky, hilly, muddy terrain, or in various mining, construction, and other sectors. Mining truck. Mining trucks, or also called mining trucks or mining transport trucks, are a type of truck specifically designed for the mining industry. They transport mining materials such as coal, metal ore, soil, or stone from mining sites to processing sites or others.
Terima kasih teman-teman sudah menonton video ini sampai akhir. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan nyalakan loncengnya.